7 strange but true facts that will blow your mind. Number 1. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, has an interesting reproductive process. When a male blue whale mates, he can release more than 40 gallons of sperm. That's an enormous amount. However, only about 10% of this sperm actually reaches the female whale. This means that much of it doesn't successfully contribute to reproduction. Because so much sperm does not enter the female, it has led to a funny idea about the oceans. Some people joke that the oceans might be salty because of all the sperm that doesn't get used. This shows how nature can be strange and surprising. While it's hard to take this idea literally, it makes us think about how big events in nature can have unexpected consequences. The mating habits of blue whales remind us of the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. These gentle giants have unique and fascinating behaviors that help them survive and thrive in their ocean home. Number 2. At a Marine Mammal Studies Institute, researchers trained dolphins to help keep their pools clean. The dolphins learned that if they brought in trash that fell into the water, they would get fish as a reward. One clever dolphin found a unique way to earn more fish. Instead of just turning in larger pieces of trash, this dolphin started hiding some pieces of paper under a rock. It would tear the paper into smaller bits and bring those to the trainers, thinking that by doing this, it could get even more fish than before. This smart move showed how the dolphin was able to think creatively to get what it wanted. The dolphin's behavior amazed the researchers as it demonstrated intelligence and resourcefulness. Number 3. In Europe, there is a special picnic table located at a point where 3 countries meet: Slovakia, Austria, and Hungary. This unique spot allows people from all 3 nations to come together and enjoy a meal without needing to cross any borders. At this picnic table, people can feel the connection between the different cultures. It's common to see people enjoying local dishes, perhaps bringing a dish from each country to share with others. The picnic table is more than just a place to eat. It symbolizes friendship and unity among these nations. Number 4. Whittier, Alaska, is a unique place where everyone lives in one tall building. This remarkable 14-story structure holds everything the residents need, including a grocery store, a school, a post office, a church, a bed and breakfast, and even the city government. The town is quite remote, sitting about 60 miles from Anchorage, which is the nearest big city. To reach Whittier, you can travel by sea, air, or rail. There is also a special one-way tunnel that connects the town to the surrounding areas. Living in Whittier is like being part of a small community where everyone knows each other. Number 5. In a city in Colombia, something amazing happened to help make the environment better. The city decided to plant a lot of greenery, which included 2.5 million plants and 880,000 trees. Thanks to all these plants, the temperature in the city went down by more than 2 degrees Celsius. With lower temperatures, it became more comfortable for everyone to enjoy their daily activities. Additionally, the increase in greenery improved the air quality, making it healthier to breathe. The city's efforts show how planting trees and plants can make a big difference. Number 6. Scientists have discovered something interesting about Earth. It has a kind of heartbeat that happens every 26 seconds. This heartbeat isn't like the one we have. It's a rhythmic pulse that comes from deep in the ocean. Researchers have been listening to these tiny vibrations, which they call microseismic pulses, but they still don't know what causes them. The ocean is a big place, and these pulses seem to come from somewhere under the water. The scientists are excited about this finding because it shows that there is still so much we don't understand about our planet. The pulse occurs regularly, almost like a clock ticking, raising questions about what might be happening beneath the waves. People are curious about how this heartbeat could affect Earth, or what it might mean for our understanding of the ocean. Though the cause is still a mystery, it reminds us of how connected everything is in nature and how many secrets are still left to explore in our world. And lastly, number 7. In the 1600s, some monks in Germany had a unique way of observing Lent, a time of fasting for 40 days. Instead of eating regular food, they chose to drink only beer and water. They made a special type of beer that was very strong and packed with carbohydrates and nutrients, which helped them stay healthy during their fast. Fast forward to 2011, when a curious journalist wanted to experience what the monks went through. He decided to try the same fasting method by only drinking the monks' beer and water for 40 days. Throughout this challenge, he discovered that he lost a surprising 25 pounds. This showed how the rich nutrients in the beer helped him manage his weight while still observing the fast. The monks' historical practice and the journalist's experiment highlight an interesting connection between food, drink, and fasting. It also reminds us that many cultures have unique ways of coping with challenges like Lent, using creativity and tradition to find balance in their lives. Please leave your thoughts, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.